positive side DC, that's negative side DC. So that's negative will go over here. Here. I'll show you. Like that. Negative will go negative over here. Positive to go positive. This cut our bridge rectifier is positive. This one. It's cut. 210K. This one. This for probes. These are for probes. Positive probe, negative probe. To check the LEDs. These are 10Ks. Negative one 10K, positive one 10K. 10K resistor. These are for probes. This one for probes. One probe will go over here, negative, and positive will go over here. The main one, main in, AC in. One go over here, and the other will go over here. Two wires, AC in. It's all completed. Soldering is completed now. It's ready to put a small container. I will put this one in here. Egg-shaped container, plastic container. It will come easily in that, like this. Wires will come out from here, and it will be safe. That's all done. Now it's safer. And this egg-shaped container is shaped one. It's main. These are props. I will check.